hi, I'm Dr. Peter. Nice to see you guys again, and welcome to our Before and Beyond talk. So I've got a case here today to talk to you guys about what we call our onlays for teeth. And what I've got here is a case here. We've got a big old filling here, and right here in that dark spot, we've got a bit of decay. Another thing is right here, we've got a really thin wall left on the tooth. And from this point of view, we can see on that thin wall a little crack that runs down the side of the tooth there. So when I see this case and I initially think, okay, what's going on? I know that this filling is most likely going to go from this corner here because of the decay, and it's going to take out the old filling, and most likely this thin wall with the crack in there is going to be very compromised, which most likely means we're going to need to strengthen that side there. So in situations like this, where you've got a big filling, it's replacing what we call a full cusp, a full corner of your tooth. It's going to need to take a lot of stress, a lot of load, because it's essentially replacing a quarter of your tooth. So in a situation like this, you want something very strong, a strong material, and something that's going to fill the shape of the tooth really nicely. And that's where these indirect onlays are very beneficial. Now you could try to do this with normal filling material, but there are two kind of challenges with that. Number one, the filling's going to be really stressed quite a lot, so it's got a high risk of chipping and breaking, and it's quite tough sometimes building a large filling like this and getting the right shape. So an onlay is a really good option for this because A, it's super strong. It's really, really hard material made out of a really strong ceramic. And then B, you're able to use a computer to design a really nice shape for the onlay that will meet and follow the natural contours of your tooth, even if you're missing tons of it. So it's a really good way to address a problem like this because you just get the best of both worlds, a really strong filling, nice aesthetics, and then also just a really easy and cleansable surface because the shape's really ideal. And so this is something that when you see, that's what I'm thinking of. And so yeah, that's our case for the Before and Beyond on onlays. Thanks, and see you guys next time.